Students, today we'll be continuing with the last two phylum of non-chordates. That is, one is Echinodermata and the other is Hemichordata. Echinoderms, I'll revise it again. Echinodermata phylum. I will revise this. Actually, we had discussed this in the last period as well, but we'll discuss it again. Echinoderms are the ones which are covered with calcareous spines all over the body. So, calcareous means which are made up of calcium carbonate. Okay. So, calcareous spines cover the entire body, and hence these spine म्हणजे काटे. Hence they are called echinoderms. Point number 1. Calcareous spines. Next, students, let me clear here. They are found only in oceans. They are found only in oceans. Character number 3. Students, the body consists of tube feet. They have tube feet. The body is made up of tube feet. Tube feet help in locomotion. Locomotion means movement, and also help in capturing prey. They are sedentary. They are sedentary. Number 4. Students, they are, we'll put it like this, the skeleton is made up of, body skeleton जो काय असतो, it's made up of, we'll put it like this, calcareous spines. So, body skeleton is made up of calcareous spines. Yes. Next character. Look here. The body skeleton is made up of calcareous spines. One thing. Next is that, students, they are unisexual. They are unisexual. And the last is that they are triploblastic. They are triploblastic with a bilateral symmetry, eucoelomates of course, with a bilateral symmetry in larva stage, and we'll put it like this, it is total radial symmetry in adult stage. These are the characters of echinoderms. Example, starfish, brittle fish, you have sea urchin, sea cucumber. These are the examples of phylum echinoderms which come under non-chordates. I'll revise. The body is covered with calcareous spines. They are found only, they are marine, means they are found only in oceans. The body consists of tube feet which help in locomotion and capturing prey. The body skeleton is made up of calcareous spine. They are unisexual. They are triploblastic, eucoelomates, bilateral symmetry in larva stage and radial symmetry in adult stage. Example, sea urchin, sea cucumber, starfish, brittle fish. Ends the job. Okay? हे already मी शिकवलेलं मागच्या पिरियडला. एकदा रिव्हिजन. Next, a bit slow I'll go. Last phylum number 10. Phylum number 10. That is phylum Hemichordata. It is the last phylum of non-chordates. Okay? Phylum Hemichordata. First character. The body is divided into 3 parts. Basically, the body is divided into 3 parts. Proboscis, collar, trunk. The body is divided. It not consists of. The body can be divided into 3 parts. That is proboscis, collar and trunk. Next, 1 to many pharyngeal gill slits are present. Hey, important highlight is 1 to many pharyngeal gill slits are present. Third, students, हेमिकॉर्डेट्स, लेट मी टेल यू, हेमिकॉर्डेट्सची स्पेशालिटी अशी की दे आर फाउंड इन ओशन्स and live in burrows in sand. Live in burrows in sand. They are found in oceans and live in burrows in sand. Next, the notochord. Important. Notochord is present only in the proboscis part. Hence, they are called hemichordates. Hemi म्हणजे half. Okay, hence called as hemichordates, and they may be unisexual or they may be hermaphrodites also. They may be unisexual as well as hermaphrodites. I'll revise it again and again. It will help you a lot. Before that, examples are Saccoglossus and Balanoglossus. What are the examples? Saccoglossus, Balanoglossus. Phylum Hemichordata. The body is divided into three important parts: proboscis, collar, trunk. One to many pharyngeal gill slits are present. Notochord is present only in the proboscis part. Hence, they are called as hemichordates. They are found in oceans, live in burrows in sand. They are unisexual as well as they may be hermaphrodites also. Hermaphrodites म्हणजे परत रिवाइज करते, मेल अँड फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह सिस्टम इन द सेम बॉडी, त्याला hermaphrodites म्हणतात. एक्झाम्पल Balanoglossus and Saccoglossus. These are the examples of phylum Hemichordata. Body divided into proboscis, collar, trunk. Your notochord is present only in the proboscis part. Hemichordates. One to many pharyngeal gill slits are present. Then you have they are unisexual or hermaphrodites, and they are found in oceans and live in burrows. That's it. These are the important characters of your phylum Hemichordata. मा आहेत, ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक आहेत, यूसिलोमेट्स आहेतच ते, no doubt about that. Is it okay? This ends with non-chordates part along with the 10 phyla. We started with what? If you remember, Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata, then Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, then you have Echinodermata, Hemichordata. We had 2 more extra also. असे 10 total phyla आपण सगळे शिकलो. कळतंय? Arthropoda is also there. Yes, these are the important phyla. Students परत सांगते, examples नीट लर्न करा, त्याचे characters विचारतात. Okay? Next, phylum Hemichordata is over. After phylum Hemichordata, we will enter into the next family of animals, and that is chordates. Speciality of chordates: all the chordates are included under only one phyla. असे 10 phyla नाही, सगळे chordates, non chordates चे 10 phyla आहेत, पण all the chordates are included only under one phyla, and that is phylum Chordata. Okay? Phylum Chordata is subdivided into 3 phyla. They are Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. So, all the chordates are categorized only in one phyla, and that is phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata चे 3 subphyla: Uro, Cephalo, Vertebrata. Now, what are the specialities of chordates? किंवा phylum Chordata चे characters काय? Phylum Chordata, what are the characters of phylum Chordata? First, one to many pharyngeal gill slits are present. Compulsory gill slits असतात. Second, heart on the dorsal side. Heart on the ventral side. Ventral म्हणजे front side. Heart आपला, आपण chordates मध्ये येतो. Heart on the ventral side. Notochord on the dorsal म्हणजे पीछे. Spinal cord आहे ना आपला, so dorsal side. Spinal cord may be single or may be tubular. आपला tubular कसा आहे? Okay, so spinal cord may be single or tubular and on the ventral side of the body. I'll repeat. Phylum Chordata check. All the chordates are included under one single phylum. That is phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata has important and unique characters. They consist of pharyngeal gill-slits. The heart is present on the ventral side. The notochord is present on the dorsal side. And spinal cord may be single or tubular, which is always present on the dorsal side. That's it. Got it? So pharyngeal gill-slits, heart on the ventral side, notochord on the dorsal side. Notochord on the dorsal side, spinal cord is single or tubular, always present on the dorsal side. Ends the job. Here is phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata चे 3 subphyla. Number 1 subphyla. Your subphylum Urochordata. Subphylum Urochordata. Then you have Cephalochordata and then you have Vertebrata. जरा टॉपिक संपत आला स्टुडंट्स, मजा येते पण करायला. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आर द कॅरेक्टर्स ऑफ यूरोकॉर्डेटा. Chordata, in Urochordata, most of these Urochordates live in oceans. They are all marine. The larvae are free swimming with the notochord present only in the tail part. शेपूट मध्येच फक्त notochord असतो. And hence they are called Urochordata. I repeat. They are found mostly, all of them are found in oceans. The larvae of these phyla are freely swimming organisms with the tail containing only notochord. Only the tail part has notochord. Hence they are called Urochordates. Character number 2, character number 3. Students, Urochordates चा अनेक स्पेशलिटी अशी की larvae stage metamorphose into adults. Larvae stage metamorphose into adults. One thing, and these adults are consist of, we'll put it like this, larvae metamorphose. Metamorphose समजतो तुम्हाला मीनिंग की आपली बॉडीची शेडिंग करत जातात ते. कळतंय? So larvae metamorphose into adults. Metamorphose म्हणजे जशी अशी ग्रोथ होते ना, तशी जशी ते स्वतःची बॉडीची जी डिझाईन असते, लाईक मेटामॉर्फोसिस ऑफ बटरफ्लाय, तर एक स्मॉल लिटल इन्सेक्ट असतो तो ड्युरिंग बर्थ. ओके, दॅट्स इट. देन यू हॅव द बॉडी इज कवर्ड विथ स्किन like tunic. Yes, the body is covered with a skin like part which is called tunic. कळतंय? They are unisexual or even hermaphrodites. They are unisexual, even hermaphrodites also. I repeat, Urochordata, they are found in oceans. One point, they larvae stage are freely swimming animals. The larvae with the tail present, only the tail consists of notochord. The larvae metamorphose into adults. The body is covered with skin or एक skin-like texture असतो, which is called tunic. They are unisexual. Example is herdmania, and Doliolum. Okay, which are the examples here? It is Herdmania and Doliolum. So what are the characters of subphylum Urochordata? They have even pharyngeal gill-slits also. They live in oceans. Larvae consist of notochord only in the tail part. Hence they are called Urochordates. The larvae metamorphose into adults. The body is covered with skin like tunic and they are unisexual. Examples are Doliolum, Herdmania. Ends the job. Clear, students? For today I will stop. We'll continue again with the classes now in the next period. Classes म्हणजे क्लास ह्याचे क्लास, माझे क्लास नव्हे. Bye.